Most people aren't broken by life. They're broken by how they react to it. One insult, one loss, one moment of pressure, and their peace is gone. The Stoics trained for this, not to avoid emotion, but to master it. Here are 7 Stoic practices that make you emotionally unshakable no matter what happens. Way 1. Remove the story. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If you are distressed, it is not because of the event, but because of your judgment of it." Events are neutral. Your mind adds meaning. Instead of saying, "This is terrible," say, "This happened." Remove the story, and the emotion weakens. Way 2. Control what belongs to you. Epictetus was direct. Some things are in your control. Some things are not. Your thoughts, actions, effort, yours. Opinions, outcomes, other people, not yours. Emotional chaos comes from trying to control what never belonged to you. Let go and regain stability. Way 3. Slow down your response. Emotion demands speed. Wisdom demands pause. The Stoics practice delay. Before reacting, breathe. Observe. Wait. That pause is power. The emotionally unshakable person is never rushed into reaction. Way 4. Expect difficult people and days. Marcus Aurelius began his mornings like this. "Today I will meet interference, ingratitude, and arrogance." Why? Because expectation builds resilience. When you expect difficulty, you're not shocked by it. Surprise creates emotional spikes. Preparation creates calm. Way 5. Starve the ego. Ego wants to be right. Ego wants validation. Ego wants the last word. Stoic resilience begins when ego loses its grip. Not every insult needs a response. Not every challenge needs your energy. When ego shrinks, peace expands. Way 6. Zoom out in time. Seneca warned, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Ask yourself, will this matter in a week, a year, 5 years? Perspective dissolves emotion. What feels heavy now often becomes insignificant later. Way 7. Live by principles, not moods. Moods change daily. Principles don't. The Stoics anchored themselves to discipline, wisdom, courage. When emotions rise, ask, what does my character demand right now? That question stabilizes everything. Stoic resilience isn't coldness. It's inner strength. Life will test you. People will provoke you. Moments will shake you. But with these practices, your center holds. Calm, grounded, unshakable. If this has helped you, subscribe and share for more.